In this video, I'm going to show you how to create rules in New Outlook for specific emails. Now to do this, first you want to select the specific email you want to create the rule for. So I'm going to go to my inbox over here and I'm just going to right click on this test email, and of course you want to right click on the email you want to create rules for, and then from here you can find rules. You want to hover over it and you want to click on create rule, and as you can see it's going to say create a rule, and by default this is the only thing you're going to see. So it's going to say always move messages from, and then of course the sender, to this folder, and you'll be able to pick your folder. However, if that's not what you want, you can simply click on more options, and then from here it's going to allow you to basically add more rules. Okay, so again, right click rules and then manage rules, or of course you could do right click rules and then create rule, and then just click on more options as well. That's going to open it up. Okay, now if I were to click something here, so if I go rules and then create rule, I could go and always move messages, for example, to this tutorial folder and hit the OK button. That's going to create the rule, and if I go and click on OK over here, it's going to basically work from now on. Now if I go to manage, I'll also be able to find it in here just like this, and as you can see, that's essentially how to create rules in New Outlook for specific emails. Okay, now you could also go and generate new rules, so click on add rule, and you could go and name it whatever you want. So for example, I'm going to name this one test rule, and you can add different conditions. So of course you can select if it was from a specific person, that's going to be for specific emails, if emails have been received for others. Okay, and then, for example, if of course the name is going to be on the line, if the subject is going to include. So for example, if you want this for a specific email where the subject includes a specific word, you can also put that in here. If a message body includes something, there's different keywords, etc., you could go and do rules for that as well. So in my case, I'm going to do if message body includes, and then I'm going to type in the exact word, and it's going to be tutorial. Now that's going to be my only condition, but of course I can just go and add multiple if I want to. Now you want to select the action. The action is going to be, I'm going to actually move this to a specific folder. In my case, it's going to be tutorial folder, and that's going to be it. You can add more options as well and add exceptions too, but I'm actually going to leave it like it is. So I'm just going to make this rule. So whenever a message body includes the word tutorial, it's going to be moved to tutorial folder over here. So let's now save this. And of course, again, you have a bunch of options, but it's pretty self-explanatory how to do this. Make sure it's actually enabled like this, and then you can just go and test it. So I'm just going to test this one. I'm going to just message myself actually like that. I'm going to do tutorial, and I'm actually going to type in test, and then in the body it's going to say tutorial of whatever. Okay, so this word is in here. If I go and send this, you'll see that there we go, it's going to send it, and it's automatically going to go into this tutorial folder, and it's over here. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.